Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Just a Man and His Deuce and a Half. My name is Bill. So I went looking back at all the previous videos on this power steering pump, and oh my, yes, there's a few. Basically, this problem started last year, so and hopefully is ending this year. But anyway, let's get straight to the video. All right.
The first repair was not videoed, but during April 2020, the power steering pump was removed because of a burned-up seal. This was from driving 30 miles with no power steering fluid. During the first repair, the smaller O-ring had moved and got pinched. During the second repair, the smaller O-ring was the wrong size and got pinched. During the third repair, the seal must have been damaged during install.
Tree, dad.